Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Windows Media Creation tool is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to open up any web browser you are using it. I'm gonna go with Google Chrome guys. You need to search for Media Creation tool. Media Creation tool. And if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you just need to download it for it guys. So I am using Windows 11, that's why I am downloading for Windows 11. Click on it, official Microsoft website, you just need to go with. And the first thing, Windows 11 installation assistant. If you just trying to install it on your version of Windows, you are trying to just upgrade to a new version of Windows 10 or Windows 11, I would recommend doing the installation assistant guys, but create Windows 11 installation media. However, if you are using a different device, you are trying to make a bootable installation media, select the installation media and download it guys. I'm gonna go with installation media guys. Download it, select and go to File Explorer and just need to select the download. We are just downloaded. Sometimes simply right click on the media installation media. Sometimes you didn't run as administrator, that's the cause of this problem guys, I think so. You just need to try this as well. Click run as administrator and install it guys. Getting a few things ready, wait for it. Select the accept guys. Use the recommended options for this PC and check it guys. If you want any edition, you just want to select it, and language, you just need to select your language guys. And after doing it, select next, and that's it for today's video guys. Select your ISO file or USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.